Erokamano Millicent Dhiambo ke kaunti ma Kisumu. Kawadhi nyime ni jatend piny William Ruto chope nyasi mar dhialo higni 100 mar chako skul mar The Alliance High School. Kawuono nyasi ma oyuore gi jopuonjre machon mar sekondar no winjane gigo madhi nyime gi sani.
And that is what we must do as a nation. And I want to tell the Alliance, what you are doing is a great example for our nation. And the government of Kenya and my administration is going to stand with you to make sure the legacy of this institution lives. It is the reason why when the Board of Management visited me when I was Deputy President, and they came because of the chapel. And again, they visited me in 2023 to come and explain to me what the requirements of this institution were. And they told me then, 2 years ago, that, Mr. President, we want you to come for the 100-year celebration of Alliance High School. I'm very proud that I made it to be here today. And amongst the things they asked me and asked the government of Kenya to support this institution, I proudly stand here today to say that we have done our small bit in making sure that the history of this institution, the legacy of this great school continues. This morning, I was privileged to hand over a dormitory that will accommodate 640 men. Which we have built as the government of Kenya at a cost of 155 million. Complete, handed over. Again, this morning, I have handed over a dining hall which we have built at the cost of 88 million. Again, I have seen the road network. We still have some work to do. I did ask the Ministry of Roads to set aside 200 million. Already 100 million has been spent. We are going to spend another 100 million to make sure that roads, both in the Alliance Girls and Alliance Boys, and Alliance High School are completed. All right? I have discussed with the board chair and the principal of this school. There is a requirement for additional classrooms. Initially, they had requested us to build 21 classrooms. We have already provided 35 million to build those classrooms.